viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Pushpendra with us from Satwik. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sir, can you just let us know about Satwik, like how and when it came into the solar industry, a journey of Satwik?
Satwik is well known in solar module manufacturing. We started our manufacturing in 2016. So it's been 10 years now. So we have been doing production, like we started with 200 megawatt of capacity. So currently Satwik is running 3.8 gigawatt of capacity in Nambala, state of Haryana.
Sir, if we talk about this REI 2024, so any new launches you have come up with and any projects that are in pipeline for 2025?
Yes, like you can see behind me, this is the new product which we launched 2 days back. This is G12R and TopCon module, which is going to the watt power of up to 625 watt peak, which is coming with rectangle size of the cell, which is 182 by 210. So this is a new technology globally. So we already started our production and it is commercially available with us.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about the distribution plans of this and the strategies and target for 2025?
So like since we are all already into 24-25 is already there, and this year probably we are touching 2 gigawatt of our commercially sale of cumulative capacity, and for this we already started securing order, and the ALM and the BIS certification is under process. So by Jan we are expecting the ALM and BIS and other IC certificate will be there. So we will be starting selling this product into the market.
That's great. Sir, if we talk about the Indian solar market itself, so how it looks like to you for 24 and 25? As you see, like there's good awareness and so accordingly how you are approaching the market?
So like you see that the target is already there to set up 500 gigawatt of capacity by 2030, and if you talk about into solar only, so there is a 300 plus gigawatt to be setted. So like year on year we have to set up 35 to 40 gigawatt of solar power plant. So we have huge target to be achieved, and Satwik in line of this target and our Prime Minister Modi ji vision. So we are expanding our capacity not only into module manufacture, we are also creating complete ecosystem. We just inaugurated and started our encapsulant manufacturing and aluminum frame manufacturing, and then we are also getting into JB manufacturing as well. Apart from this, we are also getting into cell manufacturing, so we are setting our plant in Odisha.
Okay, that's great, sir. And what's your view on green hydrogen sector?
Yes, it is something new, and I think by 27 or 28, because the government is already set National Hydrogen Mission, and there is 2 trench of PLI is already in place, PLI 1 and trench 1 and trench 2. So Satwik is also committed to get into electrolyzer manufacturing. So we have also given our commitment to ministry in last RE Invest 24. So where we are planning to set up 2 gigawatt of electrolyzer manufacturing by 2030.
That's great, sir. And what's your expectation from the industry stakeholders?
What?
Industry stakeholders, what's your expectation?
So like since this government target from net zero to provide the 50% of total electricity production from renewable energy. So our expectation from our stakeholder that we should focus into providing quality product, quality because ultimately nowadays the solar plant is more popular after in this inauguration, while inauguration of Ram Mandir, this PM Surya scheme is there. So we have a target of putting off 1 CR of this residential plant. So not only into like putting off some utility project, but also into this residential sector where 3 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt solar small solar plant to be installed, the quality product, because this is something product which is going for warrant for 25 to 30 years, so we should ensure that our end customer and consumer should get the best quality of the product, and we are also committed to provide not only providing the product but also the best services for which is available 24/7.
That's great, sir. We wish you all the best, all the luck for coming years, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being with us, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.